story is about the pigeon and the ant. Long ago, a pigeon flew down to drink water from a river. While drinking, she noticed an ant flowing away with the water. She thought of helping the ant. She looked around and plucked some leaves from the tree. She then flew over the river and dropped it into the water near the struggling ant. The ant quickly climbed over the leaf and reached the shore safely. The ant was grateful to the bird and thanked her. The pigeon smiled and said that it was her duty to help someone in need. She then flew away. A few days later, a hunter came to the jungle. He was aiming at a pigeon that sat on a nearby tree. The ant was walking through the forest when she noticed the hunter with a gun. She immediately recognized the pigeon who had saved her life. She decided to return the favor by helping the bird. She crept into the hunter's trouser and bit him hard. The hunter fired the shot but missed his target because of the ant bite. The pigeon heard the gunshot and was alarmed. She flew away. The ant too quickly jumped off the hunter's leg and fled into the forest. The hunter sat there upset and saw the pigeon flying away. The moral of the story is we should always help others selflessly. Until next story, take care and bye bye.